This is my Ryzen 5 5600X with stock cooler hitting 85 degrees Celsius in gaming. And this is after I upgraded my CPU cooler with aftermarket cooler. Just 65 degrees Celsius. That's a 20 degree temperature drop just by changing CPU cooler. So hello guys and welcome to my channel Ash PD. So last month I upgraded my CPU to Ryzen 5 5600X and start using it with stock cooler. And using 5600X with a stock cooler is a really bad idea. Currently it's winter season and my room temperature is around 18 degree to 19 degree. And even in winter season my Ryzen 5 5600X is touching 85 degree. Let me show you the stress test. Let me run the stress test for at least 5-6 minutes. And as you can see, it's hovering around 85 degrees Celsius after 5 minutes. Now just imagine the situation in summer season when my room temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius. Now to fix this, I purchased this aftermarket stock cooler, Ant Esports ICE-C400. It's a budget range air cooler. Comes with 4 copper heat pipes and with RGB fan. Now with RGB fan, I'll get more FPS. Just kidding. Price of this cooler is only 1100 rupees. I'll put the link of this cooler in description in case if you want to buy it. As you can see, it's not a very costly air cooler. And after using this cooler, aftermarket cooler, I'm really shocked to see the performance. Let me show you in gaming first. As you can see, temperature literally dropped 20 degrees. Let me show you the stress test with this aftermarket cooler. So after running the stress test for 5 minutes, as you can see, it's not even going above 72. Purchasing this cooler is one of the best decisions I have ever made. I recommend you please don't use Ryzen 5 5600 with stock cooler. Buy at least a 3 copper pipe cheap air cooler. It will definitely give you less temperature than stock cooler. Even I was trying to find a 3 copper pipe air cooler in offline market but didn't find any 3 copper pipe air cooler. So I purchased this 4 copper pipe air cooler. So yes, moral of the story, don't use stock cooler with Ryzen 5 5600X. Use any cheap aftermarket air cooler and see the temperature difference yourself. So yes, hope you like this video, so I request you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Ash PD, and if you have any questions just comment down and ask.
Get ready! Enemy! Get ready!
Use the ninja's movements to confuse your opponent's swift movements to confuse your opponent. Then strike! Keep your distance from enemies. Show them all.
Time for enemy unleashing a powerful attack is also vulnerable. Use an opening to your unleashing powerful attack is also vulnerable. Use an opening to your advantage and counter attack. Now's the time for